When the Teams app loads, you'll have several tabs on the left-hand side of your screen. Select the Chat function. For those yet to have used Teams, you'll find that your chat list is empty. But to make a phone call, just search for a person's name. Anytime you use Teams when signed on through your employee account, you'll be tied into Active Directory, meaning you'll be able to pull up anyone who works at PPCC just by typing their name into the search bar at the top of the screen. Select the person's name and press Video Call. To make a call to several people, you'll have to add more people to this chat. To do so, select Add People to the right of the video and call buttons. From there, add all of the people necessary for your meeting. And press Add. Once everyone's added to the chat, select either a voice call or a video call.